Hi guys, welcome to my videos. I hope you all are doing really well and having excellent time. So guys, a very important announcement IRCC has made, that is what we are going to discuss. So as per their official tweet, today Minister Fraser announced that we are looking for feedback to help create the next generation of Canada's immigration system. We are exploring how immigration policies and programs can better support Canada's future. To fully unlock the potential of this, we need your views and ideas. We are launching a public survey next month to get feedback. So, guys, why it is important that all of us want some improvement with Canada's immigration system, right? Be it faster processing, be it timely response, and there are so many factors we want to be incorporated in the existing system and remove some outdated steps like visa labels. So this is very important that, and once it goes live, we should put our feedback in. So I will definitely put my feedback in once it goes live, and I would like or you all to do it the same, because this is something that affects all of us, okay, regardless of our status. I am citizen, but not all my friends relatives are, so maybe I need something from IRCC down the line, so that we would need, right? So I would request you all to participate in this once it goes live. Thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.